Simon & Schuster Audio presents The Supermajority, How the Supreme Court Divided America, by Michael Waldman, read by Robertson Dean, with an introduction read by the author.
Introduction. The U.S. Supreme Court plays a singular role. In no other major country do judges, independent, esteemed, serving for life, wield so much power. Nowhere else do people wait breathlessly each June for new rulings from 9 unelected individuals. It is an anomaly in our democratic system. Its members have no innate authority. The court has this power because we choose to believe in its status as above and beyond politics. Over 3 days in June 2022, the Supreme Court changed America. It overturned Roe v. Wade, repealing the protection for abortion rights in place for American women for a half-century and putting at risk all other privacy rights. It radically loosened curbs on guns amid an epidemic of mass shootings, and it hobbled the ability of government agencies to protect public health and safety and stop climate change when the topic is a major question. The court crammed decades of social change into 3 days. This audiobook tells the story of those cases, the year that built up to that moment, and the decades of organized politics that led us to this point of judicial extremism and overreach. For years, the Supreme Court tilted right, but barely, with a 5-4 majority. Now, a supermajority of 6 conservative justices is in control. Numbers matter. For convenience, we name eras of American law after the Chief Justice, the Warren Court, or the Roberts Court, led by the canny chief with one eye always on institutional legitimacy as he steered it to the right. John Roberts is still Chief Justice, but it is no longer his court. Clarence Thomas, for decades an outlier, now dominates. Roberts holds the gavel, but Thomas holds the power. Thomas derides the idea of following precedent as, quote, a mantra when we don't want to think. He is joined by Samuel Alito, a voice of reaction, inexplicably angry, fulminating like a cable news pundit. Neil Gorsuch, an intellectual carrying on a family crusade for a sharply limited federal government. Brett Kavanaugh and Amy Coney Barrett, each stepping carefully, but usually marching with the other conservatives. Then there were the 3 liberals. Stephen Breyer, deflated, a technocrat unable to stop or even respond to the shouting ideologues around him. Midterm, he announced he would resign.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?